Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am bringing you a power hour. This is my second time doing a power hour. My very first time was for my bedroom a couple months ago, and I did not succeed with cleaning it up within an hour, but let's hope I could clean the living room, dining room, and kitchen within the hour. So if you want to know if I made it through my power hour, just keep on watching. Also, I am not sure why, but I had a little clip where it showed you when I started my hour, and I don't know what happened to it, but I hope you guys trusted me that I did, you know, time this cleaning, because I don't know, I always be losing clips of my videos, but that's YouTube life, I guess. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new here, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want, just leave me a comment below, because I love communicating with everybody, because I appreciate everyone's support. Anyways, let me just stop talking and let you watch me clean my apartment.
And filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. All that I do is wait for you. I'm standing and I'm not breathing. Why can't you forget the reason you left? You tend to hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to. I'm falling behind you now, I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moving crowd. It's like I'm lost in the night, trying to keep up with the time. Why don't you slow it down? Oh yeah, I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running
So at this point, I had to use my phone because, surprise, surprise, my camera died. And I wanted to finish this power hour and just not stop because, I'm probably wouldn't have resumed. Because once I hit the couch, you already know I am on the couch for a very long time. Anyways, so this is why this view is just like this, but I thought it was pretty interesting because it's like this is what I see on a daily basis, and this is what everybody sees when they wash dishes that are never ending.
Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand. Cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! I need you, what to do, I can't help that I want you. We got the moonlight shining bright as we drive down the avenue. Cause this might be love, it's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, I wanna be with you until the end. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go.
So guys, as you can see, I have about 13 minutes left and I cleaned my kitchen, dining room, and my living room area. So I decided to tackle my bedroom just quickly to see how much, how much I could pick up, in this hot mess bedroom that I always live in. But it's not really that bad, honestly. But I decided just to come up in here, waste my little 12, 13 minutes that I had and just tidy it up real quick. And that's pretty much it, guys. I really think this power hour was really successful because my first one was a fail, so I'm really happy about that.
Oh, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. And it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. The girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Oh, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. The girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Drunk in room 30.
So guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video fully. I really appreciate it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new here, I welcome you and I hope you guys subscribe and also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I will let you guys go and I will see you in my next video. Bye!